All right, so the next step is for you to add these value scales right here, which is really what makes this project look awesome. You know, all these value scales going from light to dark, and so you got a very nice design now. And so I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay, so if you have your pie, if you can show me your pie, the master pie. Okay, so you can get some of this tracing paper, and you can use this just to see what you like. So for example, here you could do lines like this. Okay, I would rather if you do them with a ruler, but if not, if you can do nice straight lines, it's fine. So if you like that, then all you need to do is use that to transfer the lines to the other ones like that. These ones you don't need to Sharpie, okay? But it's important that these look like the same as this one. So now these ones, uh, that's a fast way to do it. All of them should look the same. But what's easy, it's much easier if you put the lines on the pie, right? So whatever you want to do, make at least 6 or 7. I would say 7 is the magic number. 7 value scales, which, like you can see here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That works the best when you have about 7. So that's pretty much it. I mean, make him here, make the lines here, and then come here and then use your pie the same way you've been using it all along to transfer the lines. That's gonna be the easiest way. And a shortcut would be using this to make the lines. So what's gonna happen, larger areas work better for the value scales. The value scales can go any way, like you could do a circle if you want it. You could do circles. See that? You could go like this. And that could be another value scale going from light to dark or whatever you want. So there's no real, you could do this like this. See that? You could do that if you wanted to. So the more you do it this way, the nicer it's gonna look. So like this, see that? So anyway, as a rule of thumb, it's nice to do the value scales on the big shapes, right? And these big shapes. These ones, you're kind of wasting your time. These are better if you just make them solid. But in pretty much the goal, the more of this you have, the nicer the kaleidoscope is gonna look like. Okay, and we want to avoid this kind of stuff. You know, we do want to avoid that. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Put the lines here, then transfer them. Those are not Sharpie, and then you know how to do value scales. And it doesn't even matter which way you go. You could go from dark to light or light to dark, just like here. See that? Light to dark, light to dark, dark to light. You could go either way, okay? And try not to go over the Sharpie. When you are painting, avoid, it's not a big deal if you get a little bit of paint on the Sharpie, but avoid painting over it. And these lines, of course, they have to be, there's got to be paint in them, okay? It's not gonna work if you don't put the lines. You're gonna give yourself a lot of work if you do it that way. So, make sense? Yeah? All right, thank you.